To erase Pixel 8 without using the touchscreen, we're going to do a key combination. So pause the video, get your phone ready, and we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down until I release them. So this is around 10-ish seconds or so. So any moment now, we're going to release from both buttons. Now press and hold power and volume down and keep these two held down until we see the fast boot screen. I'm going to cut this as it takes some time. When we see fast boot mode, release from the buttons. We're going to click volume up until this says recovery mode. Once it does, click the power button to select. We're now going to see no command, and the command is you long press the power button and then click release volume up. The touchscreen is disabled, so we're going to click volume down until we see wipe data, and we will click the power button to select. Then click volume down and factory reset. But note that don't do this if you're planning on selling the phone, as your existing Google account will remain on the device. Once you click this, it will bring you to the previous screen after a couple of seconds, then click reboot system and a factory reset will initiate.